What's going on, everyone? My name is Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to do a brief market overview and how I think you can possibly make money trading options on the S&P 500 index right now. And before we get started, I just wanted to say I really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me and the channel, and it's really nice listening to all your suggestions, thoughts, and questions, whether in the YouTube channel or in Discord. And I also just wanted to mention that we recently hit 100 subscribers on the channel, which is super awesome. So thank you guys once again for all the support. And I hope to continue growing with you guys as a community and always keeping you updated with what's going on in the markets and how to take advantage of this price movement. So right now I'm sitting in my Discord channel where I keep members constantly updated about the technical analysis I'm about to show you in the video as the markets unfold throughout the day. So be sure to stop by if you haven't done so already, and the link to join is in the description below. So now let's get into the video. So overall in the market, we've had some choppiness recently over the past 2 days. So right now, this is Tuesday evening, and here's my current analysis of the market. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I think is going to happen and exactly what kind of formation we're having right now. So if we zoom in to this kind of area right here, right now we're in the third wave of a fifth wave. So if I zoom out a little bit, we can see we've had, let's go to the 1 day time frame. So we've kind of had this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're in the fifth wave. And sorry, there's a lot of information here. Basically, all you need to know is that this entire move upwards is our fifth wave to finish off this bullish run, and then we're going to come down for a larger correction. But for now, we're still in this bullish fifth wave, and I want to take advantage of that. So let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, and let's kind of dissect what's going on here. So within this fifth wave, we're currently in the second wave slash third wave of this fifth wave. So in my opinion, we're just about ready to finish the second wave of correction before we have this bullish run to 400 at least. So the way I'm trading this is slowly buying into option contracts on SPY as we get dips in the market. So I've been signaling calls on SPY in my Discord, where the link to join is in the description below. So be sure to join if you haven't done so already. And also, please be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section below if you have any questions or any topics you'd like me to go over. So now, overall in this second wave, so I do have two possible scenarios. So each one consists of an ABC correction, but each scenario kind of differs on where we place this ABC correction. So my first scenario is that we have simple A, B, and then a C down here. And right around these levels, so this parallel channel, the bottom trend line marks the one-to-one extension of this A wave. So I can show you what that means. So if we take this top here, drag it down to the bottom here, and up to the top here, we can see that we're getting some of those, we're getting some of those one-to-one levels right around here, and we're tagging those and bouncing right off. So that's pretty bullish. Another possible confirmation I have here is that our A wave starts here. So we would actually begin our correction at this point in the time frame. So we would have an A wave coming down, a B wave coming up, and then a C wave down to these levels, which I've been marking for a couple days now, and these were my original buy zone levels. So if we do see a little bit more of a pullback, which would be on the scale of like 1% more, a little less than 1% more, so not much, but just a little bit more of a pullback before we have a bounce. So this is the second scenario that I see. So if we do kind of get like a push downwards, expect to be running up to this 400 level. So either way, we're heading bullish, regardless of what count we do. And right now, it's kind of hard to say exactly what we're in. I hope that we can bounce off now. Right now, futures are looking green, so that's a good sign. I'm pretty heavily invested in SPY options right now, and they're pretty close to expiration. So I'm hoping that we get a bounce soon. But if not, I do have April 1st expiration, so I expect this C wave to be done in the very near future, by at least the end of this week. So we should see some of that bullish run by this Thursday, as we have a short market week. There's no Friday trading. But yeah, we should see the start of this wave 3 very soon. And I've been constantly keeping the Discord updated with my opinions about the market, and this is just the video of what I've been saying. So now that we've analyzed this ABC correction, this is all we need to do. I've kind of drawn out some, I'm going to draw out some Fibonacci extension levels of what I think we can expect if we're coming down lower. So I'm going to show you how I kind of derive these buy zones. So if we have this as the A wave, So let me show you exactly what I'm doing. So we have the A wave down here, the B wave up here, and the C wave somewhere down here. So let's take the Fibonacci extension levels of the A wave up to the B wave. And we can see we get the 1-to-1 extension right around this blue level of where I marked. And this is in our buy zone area. So I would say anywhere from here in this green rectangle is definitely a buy. And some SPY options that you could be trading. So I'll write the ones that I'm trading right now. So mostly they are the the April 1st 395 strike, so calls. I also have a couple March 31st 395s as well, but these are very risky. I would not recommend, do not recommend. And then I know a lot of people in my Discord are going for a little bit later dates of expiration, which are highly recommended. So like April 9th, for example, 395, anywhere to 395 to 400. I would say 400 is getting a little bit too high, but anywhere within this range is definitely good. Yeah, you could get anywhere between these for SPY. So these are all for SPY. And then, so what I would recommend doing is, since we have a short day, we have a short week this week, so we don't have Friday trading. So if you are holding any of these expirations, so like April 9th, I would highly recommend selling them as close as you can to the morning of Thursday, because you're gonna have the theta decay of the long weekend set in on that day. So you're gonna even if the SPY goes up. So say you have we see the bullish move upwards on SPY on Thursday. It has to move up pretty significantly to make up for the theta decay that's lost on the options contract. And for those of you who don't know what theta decay is, it basically is just your option contract will lose value the longer you hold it, and this amount you lose is a lot longer is a lot larger the day before a long weekend. So for example, Thursday is the day before the long weekend, and so your options contract will lose a lot of value on that day. So I just wanted to make you aware of that if you're trading these expirations, so anything past April 1st. So these are the main ones that I'm involved in, and I would recommend April 1st if you're getting into this call, but these are, like I said, very, very risky, and it's banking off the fact that we're going to have a bounce here, but I'm fairly confident that we'll see 400 on the SPY. So yeah, I would recommend also like just April 9th, for example. That feels very safe and should give you good profits, and that's what I'm recommending to my Discord. So that's pretty much all I wanted to do for the update on the video. I had some requests to go over some of the tickers. So we do see actually a good bounce on NEO. So I recommended this last video. So we are starting to get that a little bit of a bounce as anticipated. I do see more upside to these levels for a B wave upwards. So I do have like some kind of target zones around here if I go to the 1 hour. So we are making that upwards move to the B wave formation for a kind of quick recovery play, and then for more downside. Also Tesla, like I said, I also recommended this last video. We are getting some of that green upside as predicted. So everything for these stocks is going according to plan. In terms of Apple, we're kind of just consolidating here. So I would give this a little bit more time. Apple's moving pretty slowly as of now. Not much has changed. It's just flat. So we could see something like we're seeing in NEO and Tesla, where we have a temporary recovery. But for now, I'm just holding on to some long-dated calls, not too many, just holding them on just in case we do see some upside. Right now, I'm focusing mainly on just trading SPY. And also in my last video, I recommended CRM. Same thing as Apple. We're hovering around my buy zone, just kind of consolidating. We got a little bit of a push, but not too much. And same for Net, we're kind of just consolidating as well. So these stocks I'm recommending. These are more safer plays than what trading the market would give. These are very risky, and these require, I'm basically trying to time the market day for day, and I'm taking very risky contracts as a result. So if I'm right, then it's very high reward, and if I'm wrong, I pretty much lose everything. So like people in Discord are doing, I recommend getting longer dated calls. Unlike me, all my contracts are expiring this week, so I'm hoping that we see some upside in the market soon. And just like I said, every time I make a prediction or say that something's going to happen, I really believe that, and all my plays are structured around what I'm saying. So I'm loaded up on SPY calls, and I plan to load up even more if we do see a dip down. So if I zoom in, if we see a dip down to the 392 levels, even to the 391s, if we do start to get lower here, like around below the 390s, I'll start to be a little bit skeptical. But I would say 99% confident that we'll see a push to 400 in the next week or so. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. This is just an update on my positions in the market. And I hope if you haven't joined the Discord already, be sure to do so. And I'll keep you guys updated with every play that I'm doing in the Discord and in the YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.